Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Judith Valdez, 45 years old, married with three children, age 24, 16, and 12 years old. I live in Quezon City, Philippines. I worked in Hong Kong before as a domestic helper for almost 5 years. My work experience are taking care of a newborn baby until 4 years old and household chores. My everyday duties and responsibilities is taking care of a newborn baby and cook a simple Chinese food, laundry, ironing, grocery shopping, and cleaning the house. To my future employer, if you choose me as one of your helper, I will do my best and work to you properly. I am trustworthy, honest, reliable, and most of all, hardworking one. Thank you and good day.